So I'm going to work on cleaning out my old air conditioner here. I'm cleaning out my old air conditioner here. It's been in there for a few years. I've never cleaned it. The only thing I've cleaned is the filter, which is located right here. But I'm going to try to clean it out a little more. For one, I'm hoping to maybe make it a little more efficient, or maybe work it a little better. But also, maybe reduce the amount of allergen. This is also the first time I've cleaned out a window air conditioner unit. So come along with me. See how it comes apart. I'm not going to clean it perfect. I'm not going for a beautiful air conditioner. I'm going for a less allergen, hopefully runs a little better. Word of the wise, these fins on the back of the air conditioner are not butter knives. They're like tons of little razors waiting to cut you, so be careful. Don't slide your hand on those. Oh look, more knives to cut your fingers. This does not look very dirty. Like, I don't see much to clean there. Let's see if there's anything underneath this part. That completes cleaning up the air conditioner. As you can see, as I said in the beginning, I was going to do a quick job. That I did. I blew it out with the air compressor, knocked out a lot of junk, hoping to make an improvement. I know this was very quick and a very basic video. I know a lot more of my other videos are a lot more in-depth or more challenging type of projects, but this was a quick one. Also check out the window air conditioner bracket that I made so it didn't bend my vinyl windows. I'll be working on actually installing that just very shortly. Again, well, thank you for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos, other projects, more DIY focused, reclaimed building, all that type of subjects, and I'll see you in future videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you later.